Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 10 power plan back to default. So this is going to be a simple tutorial for you. So first you just have to go to search bar and search for power and sleep settings. So type in power. Now you can see there's an option called power and sleep settings. So you just have to click on it. Then after opening the power and sleep settings, in the right here you can see there's an option called additional power settings. So click on the additional power settings here under the related settings. After opening the additional power settings, you have to choose the change plan settings. So whatever plan you have selected here, mine is balanced here, so I'm gonna choose change plan settings here. Then you can see there's an option called restore default settings for this plan. So to click here, prompt I was showing say that are you sure you want to restore this plan's default settings? Clicking yes immediately restores all of the plan's default settings. So this means all of the power plan will be into reset into default settings. So click in yes, and that's it. All the power plan settings are now in default settings in Windows 10. So just close out of it, and that's it. So this is a very easy and simple straightforward tutorial for you guys. So hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.